Hey folks, how's it going? We are going to do exercises 8 to 11 from Fred Noad's solo guitar playing book, this one here. So here we go, exercise 8. We're playing the lower 3 strings, all open strings, which is just as well because I've cut the tip of my finger off so I can't fret the notes. So exercise 8 starts on the D string. We're playing P-I-M-I, so thumb, index, middle, index. Thumb is P, index, middle, and that's A for annular. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. One more. I'm not sure about those 4 high E's, whether they should all be played with the annular or alternating. It doesn't say. Exercise 9. We're playing the bass strings. 2, 3, 4. Do that one again. Exercise 10 in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Over the page, exercise 11, again in 3/4 time. There we go, exercises 8 to 11. Thanks for watching. Continue to stay subscribed and watch the rest of these lessons as they come out, because I'm going to be putting more out. Once my finger heals, I'm going to start off from where I left off and get through this book, because I'm really enjoying it. A like and a subscribe would really help me, and it would show me that this is worthwhile, not only for my playing, but for yours. Cheers. See you in the next video.